Welcome to my channel How to Tutorial Guide. In this video I will show you how to use live wallpapers on your PC. Make sure you watch this video right until the end. Okay, let's get right to the point. We need to create a new folder first. Right-click on your desktop. Click on New and then click on Folder. Name your folder Live Wallpapers. Go to Windows Start and click on Microsoft Store. Now search for Desktop Live Wallpapers in the search bar. Click on Desktop Live Wallpapers. Click on Get. It will now download Desktop Live Wallpapers. You just have to wait till it's finished. Now you can close Microsoft Store. Click on Show Hidden Icons. Click on Tooltip. Click on Show Launcher. As you can see, the Desktop Live Wallpapers is now installed. You can close Desktop Live Wallpapers for now. In the next step, we will download the wallpapers for the Desktop Live Wallpapers. Go to the website mylivewallpapers.com. Hover over Live Wallpapers and select the category you want. I like cars, so I will select cars. Scroll down and click on the one you like. You can preview it to see if you like it. Now scroll down. There are 3 different versions of downloads: mobile, desktop, and for 4K. But we need the desktop. Click on desktop version to download. When the download is done, go to Display in Folder and copy the wallpaper to the folder we created in the beginning of this tutorial. Right-click. Click on Cut. Go to the Live Wallpapers folder created and paste it in the folder. Now go to the website cloudconvert.com. Select File. Got to the Live Wallpaper folder we created and open the wallpaper we download. Click on Convert to and select WMV. Click Convert. Click Download. Click Show in Folder. Rename wallpaper file. Copy and paste into the Live Wallpaper folder. Close everything. Now click on Show Hidden Icon. Right-click on Tooltip. Open Show Launcher. Go to Collections. Click on Browse. Go to Live Wallpapers folder and select Folder. Double-click to select Wallpaper. And that's it. I hope this step-by-step video helped you with how to get live wallpapers on PC for free. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content just like this.